Let me show you all methods that allow you to take a screenshot on Xiaomi 17T and 17T Pro. The first method is to use the power button and volume down button at the same time. If you press both of these buttons at once, you should be able to capture a full screenshot, just like that. Besides that, what you can also do is you can use 3 fingers. You can swipe them from the top to the bottom, just like that, to take a full screenshot. Or you can press and hold 3 fingers on the screen, and then select the area that you want to capture to save a selective screenshot or partial screenshot. So you can crop the area that you want to include or not include, and then you should be able to take a screenshot like that and save only part of the screen as a screenshot. All of these 3 methods that I have shown so far can be disabled in settings. So if one of them don't work for you, and then you can open settings in your phone, then go to accessibility. Over here we have gesture shortcuts, and then you should be able to find take a screenshot, where we have slide 3 fingers down the gesture and the power and volume down buttons shortcut. And for the partial screenshot we have an option over here as well, so if it doesn't work for you, you want to check if it's actually enabled. While being in accessibility, we can also go to accessibility menu and we can enable this shortcut over here. Once you do, you can use this button that just appeared to find these screenshot options as well. This allows you to also take a full screenshot. And also, if you go to the control center or quick settings, then in here we can find these scissors, which we can use to take a screenshot. Control center or quick settings hides whenever you use this button, so you can actually take the screenshot of whatever you want to take, or capture actually. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.